surpass yourself, take the risk, and be the person you are meant to be. To my fellow graduates of Batch 2025, let us continue to move forward. Padayon and congratulations!
To Las Piñas City National Senior High School, Doña Josefa Campus. With all sincerity and modesty, I do solemnly swear that I shall uphold the values and other teachings that our dear alma mater has encapsulated in us. In any path I shall take, I promise to carry the name of the school.
Thank you very much, Ms. Juanita A. Brisa with high honors, and Ms. Nora T.
At this juncture, we shall now listen to the graduation song entitled